curry sour soup and then green curry, red curry. Hard to find fresh in your country, very frozen. They kind of sour. But this one, when you eat it, I think when you buy texture, people say, the red ant. See the red ant here?
Oh my god.
This is expensive stuff. I love it once a year.
No.
And we love it 660 baht for 100 grams, so 600 baht for 1 kilogram. We cook with this vegetable, we can talk about the sweet thing.
What does it taste like?
Creamy. You know, like the milk. You have a milk in it in pocket.
Yeah.
You bite it, you get like a milk taste in your mouth, but then you have the texture. So we keep the cow. I hope you're okay. You're from London to come to the countryside.
No, it's amazing.
Of course. You have to see the farm.
I'm just scared of bugs, but that's good.
I'm trying to find the rice that has been cooked. Seriously? And this is a seed. This is a seed. We're gonna pick them and grow them. I grow some of them. So you can bring it, grow at home.
Oh my god, what? What is this? What is it?
The flower seed.
What? Oh, for the butterfly pea.
I have a pack. If you wanna bring back home and give your son.
Yeah, we have got.
If you want.
That'd be amazing. That'd be awesome. Oh my god. Also, there's such a beautiful one. And we can make the drink with this. Oh my god. And we can buy some wine. God, I'm so excited for this.
Okay, you taste it. See what you think about the sweetness. Sweet enough? But we have this a little secret too. Coconut palm sugar.
Oh, yes.
See? But this even make it better. Is it too sweet for you now?
No, you try
Stir,
some.
stir. Stir with the coconut first. Is it super sweet?
No, it's not. It's not like that.
Okay. We have the coconut. Coconut sugar make it even more taste than the raw sugar. You taste the coconut before, right?
Yeah.
Okay, now I'm not gonna have you taste now. I'm gonna add salt. Okay, we taste again after salt.
Okay. I love the salt.
See better? Nicer.
So good. Yeah. It is
Banana in. We don't make it sweeter than this because banana is already sweet.
Perfect.
Your boy is gonna make it more sweet. Okay, put banana in. Oh, this is my spoon. Sorry, spoon.
so good.
Yeah, put it in. Woman, we can do two things.
Yeah.
Okay, color.
Yeah.
Now you stir it gentle. You have to be careful that you don't let it burn. And you have to be gentle in the same time because you don't want to squeeze the rice. Make it more mushy. If you press too much, stir too much, then it gets more mushy. Try to be gentle.